keeping local Windows folder in sync with remote FTP folder in real time. I know it has been asked before, but I would like it to happen in real time and transparently, without the need to open a separate FTP client such as FileZilla. For example, if I edit a text file in the local folder and then save it, it should immediately detect it and push the changes to the remote folder. Also, if files/folder are added or removed in the local folder, the exact same changes have to be made on the remote folder. It can be unidirectional. Changes made on the local folder has to be pushed to the remote folder, but the reverse is not necessary. It would be great if it allows us to specify some excluded files/folders which do not need to be in sync. Is there such an application that you know of?
NetDrive www.netdrive.net. We'll mount your FTP servers as a separate drive on your computer. Then you can just use any free file sync service to move your files from one folder to another.
SugarSync is a competitor for Dropbox. It lets you select the folders you want to sync rather than just using a special folder under My Documents. Either one is free for up to 2 GB storage. If you're trying to use your own FTP server, I think the free abandonware, NetDrive plus Cobian Backup is your answer. Cobian will let you schedule the backup periodically. If you don't mind paying for a backup scheduler, my favorite is Second Copy, which will let you backup files whenever they change. Both Cobian and Second Copy work directly with FTP servers, but I found them to have issues with large file sets over FTP.
WinSp can do exactly what you want with its synchronize feature. The only problem is that it will occasionally miss an update and you'll have to stop the monitoring and restart it, which forces a full sync. I've only ever noticed this when I'm doing lots of saves to the same file over short time intervals though.
This took me a good half a day of endless testing. Here's my findings. These days, there's some beautiful automatic real-time FTP, PC Dropbox-like sync apps, which really are a dream to use. Well, almost. Only one truly can be considered at this point in time, and it's Good Sync. It's consistently reliable and fast and smooth enough. Other solutions have either deal-breaking bugs or glitches or feature lackings. There is a great one called Fling. It's perfect in every way. Except, it doesn't update the FTP server when you delete files. It can only add or modify. It's really an uploading tool, that one. Unless someone asks them to add the lacking feature to the app. And then Box is the other mentionable, but after 10 minutes of trying it out, it's a no-go. It was jittery and its constant FileX was uploaded notifications when those certain files didn't even need to be resynced, and while even updating a file from a local PC, it seemed to then override it with the penultimate version from on the server. So it's Good Sync, people, tried and tested. Eventually, the golden daddy of them all looks to be Syncini, but it's not out yet. Suppose it's worth waiting for that one.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.